All right, so this is a demo on how to do step 4, creating your ship, and you have 2 9x12 white papers. Now some of you have selected something different than the Viking ship. If you need a bigger paper, you sure can use one. I don't know what I did with it. I must have left it over there, but it would be double size. Okay, so if you think you need the double size because you have a bigger ship, I'm fine with that. Okay? But you have one paper for the boat and one paper for the sails. Okay? This Viking ship, we have the mast and the sail together, and then I will be cutting that out and gluing that together when it comes time. Does that make sense? Okay? If you have the bigger boat and you have, like, I don't know, 13 sails, you might have to cut those out individually. Okay? Does that make sense? Yes? Okay. The direction says, first paper, draw the base of the boat, including the head and the tail. It must touch the edges of the paper. Okay? Now I'm going to come up here, and I'm going to look at a different picture. Okay? I'm going to look at, a Spanish one. That's not a very big picture. That's still not a very big picture. Okay, that's a little bit bigger. Okay, so am I going to use colored pencil or pencil first? Pencil. Should I draw dark or light?
Light.
Why should I draw light?
Because you can erase.
Just like with your shoes, you can erase if you make a mistake if you draw lightly. Okay, so now I'm going to draw this boat, and I'm just going to draw kind of an overview. It's not going to be perfect. Now I don't know what the front of it looks like yet, so I have to find one with the front on it. There's one. So it kind of goes like this. And I think I need the big paper. Somebody get me the big paper. Thank you. Now the reason that I think I need the big paper is because I can't get this front piece on here that goes like this. Now I could leave it on this paper and then I could just draw that and glue that later. But I think I want to make that all one piece. Okay? So now I have a little bit bigger space. And notice I'm sketching a little bit. Sketching allows me to do what? Go faster. Okay? And lets me get my shape. But I'm not erasing, right? Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and add this front piece on here. Okay? So that would be the gist of my boat. Now I'm going to erase some of these lines here. Once you have it the way that you want, I'm not going to draw all those sails and everything because that's going to be taller than my paper. Okay? I want to start adding details. Now there's all these different lines, so I want to use pencil. And just like your shoe, I'm curving the line. Why did we curve the line over here on the shoe before?
Because your shoe ain't straight.
Your shoe isn't flat. We want to make it look like it curves, right? So your boat does the same thing. Now does your drawing have to be exactly like what's on the picture?
No.
No, it doesn't. So if I want to just start making some different designs, I can start making some different decorative designs. Okay, and if I like something from one picture, but I want to look at something from a different picture, like this one has really cool detail work, I can look at that one. Maybe I just make lines on this one. Can someone get me an eraser? Thank you. So now I know where I want my lines, so I'm going to erase the extra ones. And then after you have it all drawn out, then you're going to use colored pencil to just outline. You're not going to color anything in. So does everybody see how I didn't color anything in? I just went over my lines. Okay, go ahead and stop it.